Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add tokens to Metamask. So in order to do it, you first of all need to launch your Metamask mobile application, and then the first thing that you need to do here is to simply select that particular network on which you want to add your tokens. So currently and by default Ethereum main network is selected over here, and in order to change it you need to tap on this Ethereum icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Now once you tap on it, you will see all of the networks that you can switch, and you can even add any custom network, and you can even add any additional networks. So let's say I want to add USDT on the BNB chain. So you need to simply select the BNB chain, and after that you just have to wait for some time until it is activated. Now once it is done, you need to tap on the import token option over here, and after tapping on the import token you need to simply search for your favorite token that you want to add in your MetaMask account. So since I want to add USDT, I'm going to simply search for it. So once you are able to find Tether USD, you need to tap on it and then tap on the next option in the bottom, and then tap on the import option, and this way you will be able to add the tokens in MetaMask. Basically, first you need to select the network, and after that you need to simply tap on the import tokens and select your favorite token and then import it over here. Now for any reason, if you are not able to find your favorite token, once you tap on the import tokens and search for it, you can even add the custom token. For that you will need a contract address for that token. So you need to just go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, or you need to find the contract address of that token and paste it over here. Then press next and then import, and this way you will be able to add your favorite tokens to MetaMask very safely. If this video helped you out, give it a like, and if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.